Hi, sunshiny friends. This is Sunshine Annie. I'm looking at my DIY composition book planner. And this is for June. And I think you've seen the cherries. And this is the beginning page. And then I did the citrus fruits with my citrus washi tape. I'm sorry, my dog can't seem to settle. He's an old pug and he's just kind of not sure what's going on today. So I didn't get to film this weekend, vlog this weekend, because I babysat one day and we just have had, a lot of stuff going on. Another pet passed away, not mine, my son's and his wife's. And so we had to watch the baby while they had to take him and take care of the cat. And he was my, when they lived here, he was kind of my boy. So we say rest in peace to our Leo, which happened Thursday, this past week. And then it was birthdays for both of my son's girlfriends, partners anyway. And I watched the baby on Saturday so that they could all go to a movie that they wanted to see. And I went to my doctor's appointment on Friday. And then this week, my husband had a dentist appointment today, and my daughter-in-law has surgery on Wednesday. So it's just been a lot going on right now. Needless to say, I am on vacation and I kind of wanted to take a break, but I feel like I need to get in here and just show you what I'm doing. I decided to darken the oranges to stand out a little bit because the color is so close to the orange background. Yesterday we kind of took a lazy day. Today it's just been dealing with medical stuff, and I haven't really worked in this other than to just write. That's my dog walking. Like I said, he's not settling well today. And yeah, so my goals for this week, I have been focusing again on healthy eating, focusing on, proteins and lots of vegetables, drinking more water, moving around more. I haven't been doing well with that. And trying to focus on a positive mindset, and I'm struggling with my mindset right now. I can't keep up with anything and just kind of need lots of rest and relaxation. And you know what? I think it's okay. I am resting my body. This is the planner. I have not, the only thing I've gotten to is this. I haven't gotten anything planned for the next little bit. And I'm probably going to be working more in art journals. I do want to share some of that with you. I started on, this was the art journal I was trying to finish, which is my old one that has all of my junk journal turned art journal in it. And this is my latest thing I started. Now this is with soft pastels, so it comes off on everything. And I need to spray it with some fixative, but I don't have any right now. The last fixative I had it for so long that, because I don't use pastels. So I can't finish it until I can spray it, so I can do stuff on top of it, because otherwise I'm covered every time I touch it. So that was what I've been working on for playing with pastels. The other things that I did was for my, and I'm pretty sure you haven't seen this one. This was part of the Wanderlust that I'm working on. I think I showed you this one. This was for week 17. This was week 18. And this was week 19. This was actually Diana Reveley. Anyway, she's does a lot of stencils and things for Ranger ink. So this was her prompt, I did it my way, so this doesn't look a lot, other than this, it doesn't look a lot like what she did. I used what her were, like this was a Native American proverb, and this was on hers, but I did all my stuff myself. She had ephemera that she cut out of her own stuff. But yeah, so that's what I did there. I am going to finish up June, and I will go onto this page, obviously, to finish up June, and I'll probably do July. I don't know if I'm going to keep, because I don't know how much this is going to go, how far this is going to go for me. I think it will go into September anyway. But, yep, that's what I've done. That's what it's looking like. Stay tuned next week to see what's coming up. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to your comments. And if there's anything you would like to see, let me know. Thank you so much, and have a great week. See you next time. Look forward to your comments. Thanks.